Hi everyone and welcome to the new Immersive 3D Dimension Reality. I'm Robokova and I prepared this channel to share with you my knowledge about VR and AR solutions. Having a huge experience with art, science and technology, I would like to tell you that immersive 3D content is not only a style. Rather, it's a new type of content marketing, includes neurodesign, emotional intelligence and embodiment experience. We are in the age where our senses extended in digital world. So if you feel more interested about immersive content after watching this video, please click subscribe under this tutorial. This is a perfect opportunity to pick up my idea about your development.
Oculus Quest device open box. First thing, open the box and look at inside. Oculus Quest Kit includes VR headset, the basic tool of your experience. You need two controllers to interface navigate in 3D environment. Glasses lens dispenser, which can use if you use correct glasses. Box with charger, USB-C cable, two batteries and instruction. Oculus Quest download smartphone app. Go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download Oculus app. Create your Oculus account by the Facebook account or email address. From the list, choose the Oculus Quest. Intro will help you to set up Oculus in 4 easy steps. Plug in your Quest to the charger and make sure headset is turned on. Press the button on the right side of headset for 2 seconds. Oculus Quest pairing controllers. Put batteries inside controllers. Controllers have magnetic blocks. For pairing left controller, press Y and menu button at the same time. For pairing right controller, press B and menu button at the same time. In the end, please read the instruction of guide and safety. Thanks for watching and see you soon!